Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a general skills CTF challenge from Crate-CTF 2023. The challenge is called Intern. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge on this slide. The task is to do OSINT, open source intelligence gathering, on a new employee. You'll also find the link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. So here we have the challenge, and it's basically just a welcome letter to a new intern. And I've translated it here into English. Hello there, Ossian Wallengren. Welcome to your internship here with us. We hope you will enjoy it here. There's really nothing in particular about your employment here. You'll learn most things along the way. The only thing you need to consider is how you represent yourself online, considering your position here. Good luck, kind regards, HR. So this clearly looks like an OSINT challenge. So let's start by Googling this new intern, Ossian. So we see that we found his LinkedIn profile. And it's clearly about cybersecurity. So this looks like it's probably our guy. And he's an intern at Cyber Caching Inc. in Sweden. Yeah, this must be the right guy. So let's look through his activities here. We see that he's liked something related to Spotify. And okay, we can't watch more there, but Jack Resider is clearly a fan of Darknet Diaries as well. Yeah, that's definitely our guy, but I don't really see anything. Here we have an OSINT challenge as well. Okay, let's go back to our search and see if there's anything more. So LinkedIn, okay, it's just LinkedIn, it seems. But since he's on LinkedIn, maybe he's on Facebook as well. So let's head over to Facebook to see if he's active there. Okay, here we are on Facebook. So let's search for our friend Ossian. There we have him again. So let's see what we have here. It's basically the same information that we found on the LinkedIn page, where he's an intern, where he's studied, and where he lives. We also have a Spotify playlist. Let's check that one out. Okay, we have 4 public playlists. One of them is called Flags. That sounds interesting. And there we have our flag. Great, we found the flag and solved the challenge. So before we wrap up, let's talk a little bit about doing OSINT on a person. So let's start with the definition of OSINT. Open source intelligence is the practice of gathering information about a person using publicly available sources. So what could the purpose for doing this be? Well, OSINT provides valuable insights for various purposes, such as investigations, background checks, and security assessments, for example. Let's dive into the key sources for conducting OSINT. So first we have social media platforms. Just like we saw in this challenge, we visited LinkedIn and Facebook, as well as Spotify to find the information here. Other sources could be X or Instagram. So analyzing profiles, posts, and connections on these platforms can provide valuable insights into a person's interests, relationships, and activities. Next, we have the online presence. This includes personal websites, blogs, forums, and online publications, where individuals might share information about themselves. Exploring these sources can reveal additional details and perspectives. Public records are another essential part of OSINT. Government databases, court records, and property ownership can provide a wealth of information about an individual's background and legal history. Lastly, news and media play a crucial role in OSINT. Monitoring news articles, interviews, and press releases can uncover valuable insights about the person's public activities and accomplishments. That wraps up this CTF challenge. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to add a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.